Would you like to learn how to play Norwegian Wood? Well, that's coming up. Hello, welcome to Your Guitar Guide, the channel where I'm going to help you find your sound with guitar lessons, music, and gear reviews. If this is your first time here, have a look around the channel. If you like what you see, consider subscribing for more guitar tips and tricks. I'm going to teach you how to play the Norwegian Wood. The first thing is we need a capo and place it on the 2nd fret. Put your first finger on the G string at the 2nd fret. This is now the nut of the guitar, so this is 1, 2. The 2nd finger is going to be on the 2nd fret of the E string, 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. We're going to strum down, up, down. What we've got is down, up, down. And then it's 4, 2 on the G string, open G string, and then move your pinky up to the 4th fret of the D string. Got that so far? By the way, check the link in the description. I've got the tab for this. So after you get to the 4th fret of the D string, then you want to strum again, up, down. So that is after you pick the 4th fret of the D and strum up and down. Pick the 2nd fret of the D string. So you're going to pick the 2nd fret of the D string, open G string, back down on the 4th fret of the D string. Pick the 3rd fret of the A string, and then pick the open G string. Pick the 2nd fret of the A string, and the open G again. 4, 2, open, 4 on the D, down, up, 2 on the D, open G, 3, 2, open. Takes a while to get used to playing this, so try it with me. Ready? Down, up, down. So now that you've got the riff, let's go over the chords. We've got the D, a C, G, D minor, and A. And I've got the complete tab in the link below, so check that out. You may want to get that. So go it's D. Goes to C, G, and back to D. 6/4 timing. So the timing is in 6/4 time. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it just repeats that. So it does that twice. And then for the chorus, it's D minor, G, D minor, G, A. We've got the intro, a verse, a chorus, another verse, a chorus, and then the outro. If you like this kind of lesson, can you give it a thumbs up? And that'll promote the video to other guitarists.